Hello everyone, here is a phenomenon, and just listen to it and share me your opinion, alright? And the topic is that many people use distant learning programs such as material, post TV, the internet, and so on to study at home. But some people think that is it cannot bring the same benefits of attending college or university. Well, did you get the topic? Well, alright. To make it easier for all of you, I like to share you my opinions first, my idea on the topic, and then it's your turn. Alright. Now let's start the topic. Whenever right after mentioned two distant learning programs, I immediately think about the method where most of us learn from the internet, for example, from some websites like YouTube, or even some very efficient TV program for all kind of students, from little to adults and even teenagers. Nobody can deny its effectiveness. Yeah. Because especially for those who live in remote areas, or where they cannot have enough the condition to pay for, or may need to pay for tuition or pay for the vehicles to some remote schools or universities. um, it can easy to recognize that for those kind of people, with the availability of the internet connection and some kind of mm, TV shows or learning websites is very beneficial to their learning. Not only that, with this kind of online study, um, um, learners are become more independent on themselves, and that's especially useful for them, and it helps them to learn how to control their time, and how to learn and do things themselves. It's just kind of skill. um, mm, Looking from the other angle, with the with kind of uh, teaching, where people, or where learners go to college or universities, and see the teacher directly in the classroom. This kind of traditional method, right? And most of us have to accept is very useful benefits to learner. And that's the because this method, this direct method, was tested and has been applying for decades. And even nowadays, the famous schools like Harvard, for example, there are classes, and people and learner are provided a chance to see their professors, or kind of teachers, to ask for some cases, that they can get the most effective answer, the most correct one, and much easier than the method they have to search on the internet, or wait somebody to answer them, and not very trustful. And Yeah, I think the most important with the traditional method that is people have a direct interaction with their professors, and in the case they have questions on the lessons, they can ask their professors immediately, and of course correct answers will be given to them to satisfy them. So the problem here is not which one should we choose and should we imitate or follow, but the question is that how can we combine choose these methods both with the help of internet connection and with the traditional method when we join in the classroom and see our professors daily. Yeah, that's the question for all of us to think about it. So just think about it for a few minutes, alright?